Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12 FS and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on wallpapers and style. Then let's tap on this wallpapers section, and as you can see here we've been transferred to the pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So here at the top we've got our albums, something like the carousel wallpaper, live wallpapers, which are animated ones, static options, which are pre-installed again, and here we've got some online wallpapers from which we can choose something and set it as our own. So just scroll and find the wallpaper you like the most. Somewhere a lot of beautiful options again, or maybe I will choose this tree. Okay, let me come back to the tree and we are done. So let's simply tap on it to check the preview of the wallpaper, so it will appear on the full screen, at least it should. And here we've got it. So let's simply tap on apply to, and now you can decide where you want to set it. So as a lock screen, you can apply it to the carousel wallpapers, to the home screen, or both, so home and lock screens. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so it will create a beautiful composition to the wallpaper and the system colors. So let me tap on OK. I'll show you how to do it. Here we've got featured colors. Let's tap on wallpaper colors, and here we've got those which are kind of taken from the wallpaper. You can choose those preset options, or you can tap on custom, and you will simply choose those dots and choose the color you want. So this is how it works. As you can see, pretty nice. All right, and tap on OK, and your device will use this custom option. As you can see here, we've got the colors we've just chosen. And also, of course, after getting back to the homepage, you can see that we just successfully changed the wallpaper. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.